Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexa's here with Haute Modesty. Today, I have my this month's subscription from the Makeup Institute, my brush subscription. So if you're interested in seeing which brushes I received this month, please stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. And if this is your first time here, welcome. And today what I have is my Makeup Institute's brush subscription. The thing is, from what I saw in the website, it said April, but I thought I received April already, and this should be May, but I don't know. But it is the most recent one they just released. That much I do know. And so, but I'm going to have to straighten that out. But before we do that, let's go ahead and look at our affirmation for the day, okay? And as you guys know, those of you that's been with me for a while, we do daily affirmations because self-care is an everyday thing and not a once-a-week thing, okay? And so let's pick a card. Okay, very interesting today. Okay, it says, I am a creative spirit that needs free reign. Ooh, there you go. Interesting. I am a creative spirit that needs free reign. This, you know, the first person that popped into my mind when I saw this, when I read this, is Niecy Watson, because she's an artist and you know, she's so creative, and I've seen some of her work on Instagram. So I'm like, that's the name that popped up in my head when I read that. So very interesting. I am a creative spirit that needs free reign. And this could be any creativity. It doesn't have to be art. It could be any form of creative thought, literature, anything, actually. Anything that you feel that makes you creative. So yeah, and now let's see what the questions are. It says, what creative chaos can I get into today? It's written in like a puzzle pieces, so it's kind of hard to follow. Sorry about that. So it said, what creative chaos can I get into today? I like that. Creative chaos. Okay, and what environment best fosters my creativity? What environment best fosters my creativity? You know, it's kind of funny that these questions are asked that way, because I know a lot of artists, like songwriters and stuff. I mean, in order for them to come out with this eureka, this beautiful song, they have to be like in a state of depression or something like that, where some people have to be happy, or, you know, whatever the emotional state may be. So it's different for everybody. So it's very interesting. For me, what creative chaos can I get into today? You know, I just finished reading a really good book, and so I belong to a book club. It's called the Girlfriends Book Club from AARP, and I just read a really sad but very good book, and it's about the Dust Bowl back in the 30s, when, you know, the those Oklahoma, Panhandle of Texas, Arkansas, all those places, they just totally, I mean, it was a very bad drought. People died. They all moved, you know, try to move to the West Coast, like California, to start over, but they won't accept it very well. And so, yeah, and then, you know, I was thinking more and more about, you know, the writer who wrote that, and because I love to write, and I could be creative in my writing. So I was thinking, very interesting. It's interesting that this card came up. So yeah, in one environment best fosters, why can't I say that today? What environment best fosters my creativity? I think being in nature. And so I love being in nature, and I mean, I can see why, like, people like Stephen King, he goes to, you know, his cabin in the woods and starts writing, because I mean, I get it. I totally get it. And so, yeah, so good one. So let me know what you think about that, okay? And so what we will do next, and I say so one more time, I'm going to scream, because I say that a lot. Sorry about that, guys. And so, okay, you know, I think I said in my other video that I'm going to have to, like, back off on the spotlights a little bit, because I'm really filming these back to back, so there's not really enough spotlights in between the times. And so, you know, it's like, so yeah, sorry, but I will pick them up again soon as, you know, I'm back to normal cadence of recording after Ramadan, okay? And so here we go. This is the Makeup Institute, what some of you may know as Hank and Henry. And so it comes every month. It's $24.95 a month. And you get some brushes. I think it's 5 to 7 brushes and a makeup product. And so let's get into it. And this is only my second bag. Oh, these things are glued so well. This is only my second bag, but I'm really interested in seeing what's in here. Okay, got it. Okay. Oh, it smells like lacquer. They just make these brushes. It really does smell like lacquer. I'm just gonna pull them all out first, and yep, just comes freely like that. So let's just get rid of this one, and it comes just like that. It doesn't come in a bag or anything like that. So very interesting. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags this time, and 6 brushes this time, and a makeup item. So let's start. Let's go ahead with the first face brush. This looks like, let's see. This one is the Hank and Henry, and sometimes their brushes, okay, you see the back here, this is when it's a Hank and Henry brush, and they do use names of family members that are female, and it looks like this time I have one that says Tasha, okay, and not every brush has that, but some of them do, and let's see, there's one that says Hank and Henry has them like that, and so I go ahead and pop this off, and oh, this is a very nice, very condensed brush. It doesn't say what kind of brush this is, but I mean, pretty much it's synthetic, so you can use it on anything, but this is very nice. I think this would be really good for contouring, actually. Very firm, and oh, I like it. Yep, and very nice and long, so look at that. Yeah, very nice. I'll just add it to my collection, and remember, save these because Stephanie from the Opinionated Horsewoman, she started me on this subscription actually, and I noticed she said don't throw these things away, because I used to just throw them away. I don't know people paid for these. Yeah, and so it actually keeps your brush like in shape, you see. So yeah, don't throw them away. And that's one. And let's see, oops, oh, that's gonna be hard to get back in the bag. I'll do that later. Next, it looks like another face brush, but it could be eyes too. This one says Sassy. Hold on 1 minute. It's really small, this one. It says Savvy, S-A-V-Y. Yeah, S-A-V-Y is the name on the brush. So yeah, let me just pull this out and let me show you. Again, it's Hank and Henry here. This is so cute how they have the ends like that. And here's the name there. Oh, can you see it? Yeah, right there, Savvy. And so, yeah, this looks like, this could be an eyeshadow, or this actually, I've been liking to use things like this for for highlighting, because that way I can kind of touch, and really nice. So, nice. This is a very nice, dense brush. I like dense brushes. And so next, I know this is part of their new collection because I seen it for sale. And the first one I received is going to be the double-ended spoolie. And this could be for eyebrows usually. There you go. That's one side. And this is the other side. And these do not have names on them, but they have Makeup Institute or MI on them. And this is brush number S200. There you go. Okay. I'm not really sure what material this is made of, but I could tell the other one is wood, the white ones. But yeah, okay, that's that. And then next, it looks like this would be a good, let me see, brush for, this one is S204. And this will be good for like any kind of, if you want to use it on a primer, or if you want to use concealer, or anything like that. So this is perfect. This is kind of brush that I actually use for my eye primer. So my eyeshadow primer. So this is very nice. Yeah, nice and dense. Okay. And next, and I like this. I love purple. So yeah, this is good. This is good. Right up my alley. And here is another one. This one is S205, and this looks like a pencil brush. And I could always use these because I use these for creases. And this is kind of dense and not as fluffy, which I like because that gives me good control, especially when I want to keep the color in my eye crease. So yeah, again, this one says MI, Makeup Institute. Okay. And the last one is, this is a smaller pencil brush, which I do appreciate. I do use these type, and this is the let's see, S201. There we go. And this I use to smudge my eyeliner on a lower eyeline or on my upper eyeline, just to smudge my eyeliner, because I like this bristles. It's nice. It's soft but very firm. So yeah, this is great. Okay, everything I could use actually. I'm not upset about this. And so like I said, it is $24.95 a month, and you get different. I mean, I don't ever know what I'm gonna get. And so this was only my second one, but I've been really happy with it. The first one I received, let's see if I can grab it real quick, is here it is right here. So I mean, it came, I mean, they're very nice, and they are different. I mean, every month it looks like, yeah. So yep, and I'm not, you know, I'm not hating this. I'll tell you, I really like it. So let's see what the makeup. This looks like lipstick. Okay, Hank and Henry. Okay, they give you one makeup product. Last time it was that crazy eyeliner, the bright yellow one. And this one says S-E-X-T, Sext. Okay, and let's see if I can open this up. Nope, of course not. I need to get something in here so I don't break it. That's too big. Okay, here we go. Okay, yeah, there we go. Woo, I may break it still. Oh, nope, got it. Okay, so here we go. All right. Oh, very nice case. Look at this case. But how do you get into it? Oh, wait. You see how it's like, all right. Oh, look at that. I pushed and it popped out, and now what? Oh, nice. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at this thing. It's beautiful. Oh my, this is all glittery. I think I've seen this one time in one of the boxes. Oh, look at this. And the color is very nice. You know, I'm not going to swatch this because this is really pretty. And I may not keep it. So I'm going to go ahead and just show it to you. And very nice. And it seems like it goes in here and it gets pushed back up. And how I did was there's a button up here. And then you just pull it out. Huh. And then you just push it back in. Ah, very interesting. Yeah, nice. Okay. Well, that is different. I'll tell you that. So, okay, my beautiful wildflowers, that's it. And what did you think? I mean, is this something that you would be interested in? You know what? I can leave a link below for you. And it is not an affiliate link. It's just a link. And I think I get like brownie points or something. Maybe I think so when somebody signs up, I get like a $5 coupon or whatever it is towards the next purchase. So, okay, my beautiful wildflowers, if I added any value today, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing and ringing the bell button and also selecting all, so that way you know when I upload a new video. And so, my beautiful wildflowers, I want you to have a good day, a good night, a good week, or good weekend. Whenever you're watching this, doesn't matter. But just remember, don't sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.